Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. If you've seen my new channel intro video, you'll know that from now on I'm going to be doing set things on certain days, or trying to anyway. So Mondays I'm going to be uploading a crochet project. Wednesdays I'm going to upload a 3D papercraft project. Fridays, if I have any, I'm going to do a haul or a product review or a how-to kind of video. If I don't have anything to share that day, there won't be a video on a Friday, or I might do something different. I don't know, but probably won't be a video on a Friday every week. On Saturdays, that's going to be cards and scrapbooking. So any challenges I've done, any scrapbooking or card making challenges I've done, they'll be shared on a Saturday. So there's potential to be more than one video on a Saturday, and I'll just sort of space them out throughout the day. On a Sunday, there'll be one video, and that will be my 2018 Christmas card for Joy of Sets. That will always go up on a Sunday at 7 a.m. Anything else that I do, any chatty videos, catalogues and things like that that don't fit with a Friday or can't wait until a Friday, then I'll pop them in as and when. But that's pretty much how it's going to go. So there'll also be Instagram posts on those days, and Facebook. My Facebook for Papercraft is Crafty Little Paper Things, and my Crafty Little Things Facebook, which should have my crochet and everything else, candle making, everything else I do, that should be going live at some point towards the end of the year. I just haven't got time to sort of give it the time it needs at the minute. This is the first Friday where I'm going to be doing reviews, unboxings, things like that, and I haven't really got much to show you. So one thing I have got to show you is this gorgeous die that I got from AliExpress for a couple of quid. I think this was perhaps one of the more expensive things that I bought from there. It was still only a couple of quid. And I thought, that looks so intricate, I wonder if it works. Well, it does work. And it works absolutely beautifully. Look at that. How stunning is that? That's just been cut out of some cherry cobbler cardstock from Stampin' Up. And I used the Big Shot for it, just a normal Big Shot. In fact, I used my broken Big Shot for it. But what I did do, because it is very intricate, the way, look at all these little leaves and stuff that it cuts out, the little spiky leaves. So what I do is I just get a piece of normal printer paper, and I fold it in half, and I wrap that around, and I pop that in on top, and then I just run it through a couple of times through the Big Shot, backwards and forwards a couple of times, and it was fabulous. It came out with no problems, and it's not the nightmare that you'll expect it to be. It does have lots and lots of little cutouts, but then obviously it cuts the whole shape out as well. So that is just stunning. I mean, what else do you need for a card? I mean, that cut out in gold, silver, whatever, white against black, you know, it's just always going to look gorgeous. You could do it in white and then colour it in. You could glitter that. There's so much you could do with it. One of Anne, I don't know if you've seen Anne Melvin's channel, but on Positive Papercraft, I'll link below. She's just recently done a video on how to make your own shimmer spray. Spraying that with some shimmer spray would make it look outstanding. So yeah, that's going to be a feature on some of my Christmas cards coming up. Absolutely, definitely. It will be, I think it will actually make it onto this Sunday's Christmas card. So yeah, that's gorgeous. I love it, and I definitely recommend that. But do just give it, I mean, I haven't got any special plates or anything for my Big Shot. I just, like I said, I just put in a cartridge paper shim and seems to do the trick. Something else I bought recently was this set of octagonal dies. There's 8 layering dies in this set, and they were £1 something. I'll link them for you. They're they come attached together, and you have to sort of snap them off carefully. They're quite thin and feel a little bit flimsy, and they're a little bit difficult to get these internal pieces off. I'm going to use some pliers just to pull that off. When you buy like a Sizzix die or a Stampin' Up die, they tend to be quite deep. You know, the metal's quite thick, and they come, I know they're a pain when they come stuck to those sheets, but at least you don't have to take your life in your hands to. I don't think these would survive being stuck to those sheets because they're very very flimsy. However, they cut beautifully. One pass of the Big Shot, and this went through 2 pieces of card, and it leaves a little stitched edge right on the edge, and that was Stampin' Up! Whisper White. Oh, you can see here it's gone through 2 pieces. Well, it's gone through 2 pieces of paper that I used as a little shim and a piece of card, no problem, and it's left the little stitched edge on every piece, so very clean cut. It's really nice. And then I tried out the tiny one. There's the tiny one. So yeah, it's they do a really good job, but that's my fault, that little bend. Yeah, so they do a really good job. Just be careful with those flimsy, with those little bits that are sticking out. I really see myself using the tiny weeny one. I don't know what I'd use that for. But, I mean, these would be good for card fronts. I mean, most of them would be good for card fronts or for boxes or for toppers on boxes. So, yeah, I really like those. So, I'm pleased with that purchase. And I thought I'd share it with you. I am trying to condense all of my buying into a Friday review, so from now on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.